Hey everyone, I'm Pratik, and today we are going to talk about something that changed my career, that is open source. So, if you ever wonder, what exactly is open source? How do people from around the world collaborate on projects? And the most important thing, how you can start contributing to it, even if you are a beginner. So, stick with me till the end because I am not only going to explain it, but also showing a quick demo of contributing to a project. And there is a special segment where my friend who shared their own open source contribution experience with you, and it is super inspiring. So let's get started. So basically, what is open source? Open source is a software where anyone can view, use, modify, and share their code. So basically, you can think of it like a community project where people all around the world collaborate to make it in bigger. Some of the biggest project you use daily, Linux, Kubernetes, VS Code, that they are all are open source. But here's the best part. You don't have to be a pro coder to contribute. You can help in so many ways, like writing documentation, fixing typos, testing, or even designing logos. So, why should you start contribute, right? So contributing to open source is actually a game changer. Like it helps you basically learn real world coding skill, build a portfolio recruiter which they actually love, and meet the amazing people and grow your network. I think that is the best part of open source. And yeah, and give back to the community that build the tools you use every day. That is one of the amazing part of it as well. So how do you start contributing to open source? All right. So let's see a quickly demo how you can how you can contribute to open source. We are going to contribute to a repository named Kepler. So in this demo, we are going to contribute to the Kepler. So let me tell you about Kepler. Kepler is an open source API testing platform which create generated test mocks and stuff for your APIs. So don't forget to check it out. Yeah. So before contributing any of the open source project, the pre you must have a GitHub account, and that's it. And go to the issue. So, so in the issue, you will find the good first issue. So basically, what is good first issue? Good first issue is the thing which are easy to do. So many people search for the good first issue because to start their contribution. So if you like to contribute to the bigger part, you can definitely go for the any code contribution. But yeah, in this demo, we are going to go with the docs contribution. So this is a basically issue. It is raised by me actually. So yeah. So what is saying there is a redundant kploy in testing it. It means the kploy is repeated here. Go in the kploy actually. So you have to go in the documentation part. You have to fork this repo, which I have already fork, and you have to create the fork. So after creating the fork, you have to clone this ref in the local. Okay, so I will clone this locally and docs repository of Kepler. So what is basically saying here? Oh, sorry. So what is basically saying here in this PR in this issue? So you have to remove the documentation under testing guide, right? This guide. So this is the basic documentation Kepler. You have to search here the testing guide, the version 3, which is the current version. Look, so this is where Kepler test is here, right? We have to do it a Kepler test. Okay. So after doing it, you have to add the changes here and then commit it dash m, and don't forget to add a DCO sign up to any of the open source project, and then you can just give an fix the issue, fix the Kepler issue. Yeah. Then git push. That's it. So now here you can see on the main branch, I have created the pull request. So you have to add a title here and you can add a declaration and create a pull request. I'm not creating this because a lot of things is going on my main repo. So yeah, that is how you can you contribute to open source. That's yeah. In this you have made your first open source contribution. That is amazing. Congrats for you. So yeah, that is about the quick guide. That you just contribute to open source. That's how you contribute to open source. So now the interesting part. Here is my friend. Let me introduce. He's Ronak. Like he's a GSOC contributor at the Jenkins. He's going to share his contribution experience, and like here is what they had to say. So yeah.
Hey everyone, I'm Ronak. I'm a Google Summer of Code contributor for the organization Jenkins this year. Some of the key takeaways I can share from my open source journey are: choose a project or an organization that aligns with your interest. I recommend choosing a big project or an organization. Also, it would be better if that project is being widely used in the community. Number two, active community. You can engage with the community well, and the community should be really active and inclusive so that you can help more people ask good questions and involved with the community. Number three would be contributions. Definitely, you can start contributing to the documentation. Contribution doesn't just mean about contributing to the code, it can be helping around the community, helping newcomers on board, or writing blogs, sharing your experience, talking about the project in public. So you can definitely also start contributing to the code, even if you know 30 to 40% of the tech stack, and you will be learning more of the things on the go by applying when you're learning. So that's what some of my tips are. Wishing you a great contributing journey ahead.
I hope like this video give you confidence to talk your open source. Remember, you don't need to be an expert. You just need to start it. So if you found this video helpful, drop a comment, tell me which open source project you plan to contribute to first. And yeah, if you want to more video like this, yeah, anyway, I'm going to do that. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you another. Bye bye.